Ego, anxiety versus discomfort, anxiety. Stop letting your thoughts control you. Welcome to the emotional landscape where discomfort and ego anxiety shape much of what we feel, think, and do. I'm here to help you understand how Rational Emotive Behavior Therapy, or REBT, provides a clear map through these emotions and offers tools to regain control of your life. Let's start with a key idea in REBT. Not all anxiety is created equal. Discomfort anxiety is a natural human reaction to difficult situations, like being stuck in traffic, dealing with illness, or facing uncertainty. It's uncomfortable, but it's also temporary and tolerable. But ego anxiety, that's different. It comes from how we judge ourselves and our worth. It's not just, this is hard, it's I can't stand this because it means I'm a failure. Discomfort is about situations. Ego anxiety is about self-worth. Ego anxiety stems from irrational beliefs, what Albert Ellis called masturbations. We place rigid demands on ourselves, others, or the world. You've probably heard them before. I must be perfect. Others must approve of me. If I fail, I'm worthless. These beliefs create chronic anxiety because they set impossible standards, and when we inevitably fall short, we feel crushed. Here's the REBT solution. Identify, dispute, and replace these unhelpful beliefs. Ask yourself, where is the evidence that this belief is true? Is this demand helpful, or is it making me miserable? What's a more rational, helpful belief I can adopt? Use techniques like cognitive reframing, Socratic questioning, or role-playing to practice healthier responses. Instead of, I must be perfect, try, I want to do well, but I accept myself no matter what. REBT isn't just theory, it's a daily practice. Start small. Notice when you feel anxious. What are you telling yourself? Write down those beliefs and challenge them. Replace them with rational alternatives. Over time, this becomes a new habit, a new emotional muscle. You'll find that you bounce back quicker and stop letting ego anxiety control your reactions. To sum up, discomfort is part of being human. Ego anxiety is optional and changeable. REBT helps you reduce anxiety by identifying and challenging irrational, ego-driven beliefs. With practice, you'll develop emotional resilience, self-acceptance, and greater inner peace. If this resonates with you, I encourage you to explore REBT more and consider talking to a professional trained in this approach. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can feel better by thinking better.